Apple's next premium smartphones, the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max, are just a few months away, and the leaks are already painting a compelling picture. If you've been wondering whether the 17 series will be a major leap forward or just another small step from the iPhone 16 Pro lineup, you might want to hold off on that upgrade, because this year could be different. Let's start with the design refresh. Apple is reportedly changing the rear camera layout, moving away from the iconic triangular arrangement to a new horizontal strip design. It's a bold visual shift, giving the back of the phone a sleeker and more uniform look. The updated design helps visually set the iPhone 17 Pro apart from recent generations right away. Apple is also experimenting with materials this time. Instead of an all-titanium chassis like last year's Pro models, the iPhone 17 Pro might feature a hybrid frame combining titanium and aluminum. This blend could lighten the device without sacrificing the premium feel or durability that Pro users expect, and it might even add a stylish two-tone effect. Now on to one of the biggest changes: massive camera upgrades. The telephoto lens is reportedly jumping from 12 MP to 48 MP, a significant bump that should offer far sharper zoom photos. Whether you're snapping from a distance or trying to capture tiny details, this upgrade could be a game-changer for mobile photography. Another major addition: 8K video recording is finally making its debut on iPhone. Although Apple hasn't revealed frame rates yet, this addition alone will excite content creators who want higher resolution and flexibility when editing footage. Meanwhile, the front camera is also getting doubled resolution, moving from 12 MP to 24 MP, improving selfies, video calls, and low-light shots across the board. There's a small but welcome tweak to the display as well. Apple is expected to shrink the dynamic island just a bit. It's still there, but a more compact version could give you more screen real estate and a cleaner look overall. Internally, Apple is equipping the iPhone 17 Pro with a new A19 Pro chip, built on TSMC's cutting-edge 3nm Next process. This chip promises faster speeds, better power efficiency, and improved thermal management. And yes, Apple is redesigning the internal structure for improved cooling performance, which should help with gaming, 4K video edits, and extended multitasking sessions, all without the device heating up as quickly. In terms of connectivity, Apple is continuing its trend of building in-house components. Following the C1 chip from the iPhone 16, the company is reportedly working on its own Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and 5G chips. This not only streamlines efficiency, but could also lead to better wireless performance and battery optimization. Finally, and perhaps most importantly for power users, Apple is expected to increase RAM to 12 GB on the Pro models. This change aligns the iPhone 17 Pro more closely with flagship Android phones and should help enable more advanced AI-powered features like the upcoming Apple Intelligence tools. All in all, the iPhone 17 Pro series is shaping up to be one of the most meaningful upgrades we've seen in recent years. From a fresh new design to serious camera and performance enhancements, there's a lot to look forward to, especially if you've been waiting for Apple to bring some real innovation to the table. Are you considering an upgrade this year? Or is your current iPhone still holding strong? Let me know what you think in the comments. I always enjoy hearing your takes. And hey, if you found this helpful or just love keeping up with the latest Apple leaks and launches, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay curious and stay connected.